Hello, guys. Welcome to you all, and welcome back to your own channel, Stock Market Small Investors. Yes, you guys might have seen the thumbnail, the Reliance Infra. So today we are going to discuss on the stock Reliance Infra. Okay, because I think I found an opportunity. So I'm just trying to share with you guys. Depends on you. You buy or not. You can take your decision. You can just do your own analysis before doing anything, right? But I'm just sharing my opinion because, as I told you before, this channel has been made for you guys only. Whatever opportunity I will get, I will share through my video and tell the reason as well why I'm going to buying or sell the stock. Okay. So first of all, those who are new on my channel, guys, please like and subscribe my channel and open the bell notification as well so that you guys should get the regular updates. Okay. And after all, first of all, why I have decided to buy this stock, because you can see the circle. Can you see that? It's a rounding bottom. And now I'm going to open DHFL, which I have already bought and already made a video on that as well. Check it out. Can you see the same thing? Can you see the same circle pattern in that? Right? Whatever news come, it doesn't matter, because if you know the proper technicals, the price already gets discounted with the technicals, right? Whatever news is about to come in the market, the technical will always start telling you first, this stock or this script has to gone up. Okay, all right. So I'm just going to open the Reliance Infra chart once again. Yeah, this is a weekly chart. I'm just going to open the monthly chart as well. And now, can you see that? Sorry. The rounding bottom shape, a circle, same like DHFL, right? Okay. So first of all, I'm just going to buy this stock tomorrow. Okay. Whatever price I will get, I will buy this stock, because what I can see, the short-term target for this stock is 58 to 76. Okay. But if I will get this stock by tomorrow, if I can get that, I mean to say that if the circuit doesn't go and I can get the stock easily, whether the market is going to fall, because Nifty is looking much weaker at this point in time. It may fall anytime, but there might be some sort of possibilities like any news or the trend line has to be broken down for the Nifty to get fall. And another thing is that if you guys want to buy this stock, you can do your own analysis as well, because the fundamental is very, very bad about this stock, right? But I always prefer to trade with technicals. Okay. And the technically this stock is showing, is showing some rallies, is showing some strength. So according to me, this stock will be worthwhile, because the price at this point in time, you guys can see it's 28.75. So I'm going to buy not enough share for that. Little amount of share, might be 400 to 1000 quantity, depends on my risk reward ratio. Before taking trade, I always look forward for the risk reward ratio according to my capital, what I have invested, right? And as I already told that I'm a swing trader. And guys, those who are new on my channel, I would like to request you all, this channel has been made for you guys only. Whatever opportunity I will get, I will share with you through the video with the reason why this stock should buy or sell, right? So please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Okay, have a good night, have a good day, and tomorrow is a Monday, the market is about to open, so be in profit. Cheers.